Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to be showing you all how I install these passion twists. Now on my previous video I showed you how to make the passion twist hair on a budget, but on this one we're going to be showing you how to install them in your head. So I did already go ahead and section my hair, and I used the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges Extra Hold Edge Control for each section, and then I just put the rubber band there. What I'm going to be doing now is using the crochet method. I haven't ever tried it with like box braids or even just passion twists, so I was excited when it came out looking really good. So I just used the latch, grabbed the hair, and then what I do is I grab one piece of hair and pull it through. So after you've crocheted the hair in, whatever hair you're using, or if you did the DIY like me, you're going to take whatever edge control or styling gel you have. For me, I was just using the Gorilla Snot, and I just rubbed it in between my fingers, and now I'm twisting the hair as close as possible. So once I finished, they came out looking like this, and I think they came out really cute. But now here's the update. I wanted to do this really quick update on my passion twist. So I haven't even taken it out. I'm gonna take it out of the ponytail, but y'all, look how crazy it looks. Like, this is my real hair. But anyway, let me just take it out of this for y'all. These are like, okay, like this side isn't that bad. Well, look at that. You see? Like, do y'all see how crazy that is? Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. Like, the root isn't bad. The edges aren't bad. It's not like caked up or anything like that. But the actual twist, look at this shit. Oh, I took this one out. I was like, if they're gonna frizz up, I might as well take a couple out. But this is what it's looking like. I mean, I don't feel like it's horrible, but at the same time, it's like, this has been in for 10 days, not even a full 2 weeks. And it's already looking like this. Maybe I just need to redo this one. Because, nope, look at all this. Not that one. Look at this. This is my real hair, y'all. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know. I don't know. But the ponytail and the buns, they work. So I might try and stretch it for a full 2 weeks, but it's probably not gonna be able to go beyond that point, because the roots are good, but the hair, baby, is not working. It ain't working. So y'all let me know some tips or tricks that y'all have on preserving passion twists, or maybe I did something wrong in the initial install. Y'all let me know. Don't forget to comment below. And I'll see y'all on my next video.